Hello.
Hello,
What's your name?
my name is Huyền.
Okay. Huyền. Who's this? This is my.
This is my mom.
Okay. Who's this?
This is my she,
Yeah.
dad.
Good job. Who's this?
This is my
Yes. Okay, let's try the next one. Okay. Who's this? And who's this?
this is my sister.
Okay. Who's this?
This is my
Bruh.
brother.
Okay. Now let's go to the next part. Okay. All right. So, how does she feel?
How does she feel?
She's. Okay. He's.
He,
She's. How does he feel? How does he feel? How does she feel? Okay, that's fine. All right. Now look here, okay? All right. So, what are they? They're they're what are they? They are bears.
the bear.
What are they? What are they?
Crocodile.
Okay. All right, thank you. Goodbye.
Goodbye.